That's what you call the blade. That's the one we will use to move the snow. So why you need to drop? If we will use and the other one is
I'll pull it off.
This is the one that we get from auction at Wisebro. Brush hog. Get this $500. This we will use this at our place at the hotel to plow the snow when winter time. And then this is how it looks like here in our farm. The trees is falling. No, it's the leaves. Wow, you see the birds? They noisy. It's like herd. Nice, more blackbirds. I don't know if you can see. What do you call that one at ano? So, they falling na, no? The trees. The trees, the leaves. I mean the leaves. Our swimming pool. This is how it looks like when fall here in the farm. I will show you our update to our trees. This we get this also at auction. Wheeler auction. Tiller. Right ba tiller, Daddy? Our generator. We have 4 trees here. Here's the plum. The pear. The pear tree. And we have 2 What? You need me? You need me? We have 2, what do you call this? Fig tree? Fig Chicago Hardy. And someone break this another fig tree. We think that the deer. And we have 2 apples there and 4 pear trees. We're going home now. Thank you for watching Show Me Gold Family. We need to go home. We need to clean the rooms. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye.
Misha.